In today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter a Wix repeater using selection tags step by step inside Wix Studio. This is a super useful technique if you're working with CMS collections and you want users to dynamically filter content like portfolios, blogs, products, or listings using simple selection tags instead of custom code. If you've been struggling to make your repeater show only the relevant items based on user selection, this video will solve that for you. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix Studio and web design tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Wix Studio. Make sure you're inside the project where your repeater and CMS collection are already set up. This method assumes that your repeater is connected to a dataset and that your CMS collection has a field that you want to filter by, such as category, tag, or label. Once Wix Studio loads, look over to the left-hand side and click on CMS. This will open up all the content management tools connected to your page. Next, locate the dataset that is connected to your repeater. Click on the dataset to open its settings panel. This is where all the magic happens. Inside the dataset settings, you'll see options for permissions, connections, sorting, and filtering. What we want to focus on here is filtering, so go ahead and click on Dataset Settings if it's not already expanded. Next, inside the Dataset Settings panel, find and click on Add Filter. This allows you to control which items from your CMS collection are displayed inside the repeater. When you click Add Filter, Wix will prompt you to choose a field from your collection. Select the field that matches the values used in your selection tags. For example, if your selection tags represent categories, make sure you choose the same category field from your CMS. After selecting the field, you'll see a condition dropdown. Click on it and choose Contains. This option is important because selection tags often store values as text, and using Contains allows partial or exact matches depending on your setup. Once Contains is selected, you can now link this filter dynamically to your selection tags element. Make sure your selection tags are connected so that when a user clicks a tag, the dataset updates automatically. At this point, your repeater will only show CMS items that match the selected tag value. You can test this by previewing your site and clicking different selection tags. As you switch between tags, the repeater content should update instantly without reloading the page. This creates a smooth and professional filtering experience for your users. If something doesn't update right away, double-check that your field values in the CMS exactly match the tag values, including capitalization and spacing. Small mismatches are one of the most common reasons filters don't work as expected. Once everything matches correctly, your filter will work seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully filtered a Wix repeater using selection tags in Wix Studio without writing any code. This technique is powerful, flexible, and perfect for building dynamic content-driven websites. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix Studio tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.